Okay. How are they? How everybody be this morning? How everybody day this evening? Anywhere you day like this, would they say welcome to everybody on top of the party show with your boy Ogbolor. And as usual, like I like to make for my announcement in absentia, Mayalistic Mayowa. And besides, she sent her greetings to everybody. She said, she never wait to come back, to come follow everybody, groove inside the whole level. So, Mayalistic, we'll wait for you to come back, all right? So much love from here, from the Paddy crew. But how not they? How everybody be today? So, how the fuel condition for your side? Anywhere you did, they watch us like this. How the fuel condition for your side? Different things they happen now for the country. For some place now, lights not there. For some place now, water not there. Different things. Filling station now, fuel now, battle. If you see line, some line they stretch from mainland, Eta Island, from the cut corner from Ikorodu, they go Ibadan. It's a different kind of fuel scarcity show met. But on top of the level, forget. Now the content no sell for jerrycan again. Hey, gadaya. People now they carry the generator now. They come for filling station. They'll put her, they'll carry entire boat motor back, they drive, they go. Oh God. But today, God used yesterday rain. You can get one kind of rain for inside Lagos. God used that yesterday rain to bring everybody down, because sun they shine yesterday. Light not day, fuel not day. You waiting can happen for the country. One day. Now God just off the sun small. Come carry some sprinkle of rain, sprinkle for all of us head. Everybody can't do okay. Now today, I'm proud to announce to you now, say, Amata don't show. Amata, you finally show. So now, pomade go they say well. Go they say well. Go simple go they shine anyhow. People must go they tear now. Some people now go they use their time. They do some kind of thing. No, if they rub your body against person body again because fire fit catch. The guy will take near person, take hot person, say how far? Just do fire go just have to the catch for the person. So be careful now. Harmattan season don't come. Make all of us be very, very careful. Now announcement say Christmas don't reach. Finish. All right. So we welcome everybody come to the show like this, and then we'll go run the full package. Okay. So we'll start with this video first. After the video, we'll come back. Then we'll go announce to Una about the yarn. So very, very sweet gist. They my front here. Well, I would like to just give everybody sharply. All right. So we'll see this video to take start the whole every, and then we'll go announce for yarn. Zayan. When I catch me there, they look the whole thing abi. Because I can't wonder some na for laugh. Some other ones they don't pee their skull. It be make you wound, make your spirit self come wound. That kind of thing. That means you wound the wound. Some people they don't experience all those kind of wounding. Or they also bring everybody mind calm down, no worry. The party show day here, Wazobia TV day here. Or they also bring everybody in mind for the whole situation within the country right now. No worry, change don't come. Before we go fit to enter the main change, some kind of changes got to occur for the road. So now be the every road the experience like this, just to finally reach the destination where we want to reach as a country. Okay, so no verse. Make everybody just calm down. So make an announce for Yan Zayan. Give me Yan the Yan for all the gist we'll get this morning. Now. All right, like I talked just now before I announced for Yan the Yan, I say, for us to actually experience the change we want to experience as a country, we definitely will go through some kind of things, to clean up house we don't dirty, you got to come out some load again, come rearrange the house, or come out some load, sweep the house, probably repaint the house, come arrange the load them back, or you buy new load. So we there for the cleaning process, we there for the rearranging process. It's not good or easy like that. You understand? Because to spoil something, it is easy pass to rearrange them. So the country will just Judobi. You get me now? Just kind of small. Farabale. We go reach there. We go reach as a country. So based on the every of the gist I don't carry given just now, the Minister of Information and Culture, and are still based on the fuel scarcity they happen for the country. Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, he don't come and come talk, say, make no worry. See, as it be like this, now the current fuel scarcity, what happens inside the country, go there over in a few days. In a few days, oh, in a few days. She knows say when I tell you a few days. She knows say next 2 years, that's still few days. The next 1 year, that's still few days. Days are never over. So it's a bit more specific for just the swell up inside rejoicing. But any which way, it give us hope. It give us hope. They actually give us deadline. Say, no worry. Say the subsidy payments, what they don't already put for ground, go day okay, to allow every say by the end of the year, we'll see fuel. That's we go see fuel till the end of the year. He say we are confidently announcing here today. Say the scarcity will end in a few days. Subsidy payments we go last to the end of the year. Don't they approved by the National Assembly? And as it be so, say they know if we spend money without approval. So the minister talk all this one during in a visit to the headquarters of Daily Trust newspaper where we carry the gist come from. He can explain, say the 521 billion naira done they approved by the National Assembly as part of the supplementary budget so they don't pass will be 574.4 billion naira and it go there enough to cover the fuel subsidy till the end of the year. So make everybody just calm down. I beg you, me and no vex. Say we can assure you, say this kind of wahala will the experience on top fuel for now, it no go happen again because this one to tackle every other one way for happen for fronts. So make Nigerians just endure small. Say before in a few days, say this fuel matter go come out for road. Okay? So we don't hear. Oga Lai Mohammed. And I say in a few days, not be few months, not be few weeks, not be few years, not be few centuries, not be few decades. So we are looking forward to the whole thing now. Hopefully, more they look at this week could take go. Maybe before this week finished, we go here say fuel don't dey everywhere. Because now they don't want all those people that when they sell fuel say if we reach your place and fuel day, but now they keep them, we go open filling station for everybody. We line up and they sell fuel for them free. It happen for Jolegba. It happen. I see in life. Only see me no conflict court enter because of some kind of things. But we just help ourselves to make this country dey livable and okay. All right, me. So Oga Lai Mohammed, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, we don't hear you. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, I don't get a lot, now God will win. Yeah, God will win, yeah. Corre de Bello, the word superstar, okay. Corre de Bello now. Okay, not too long ago, they make an ambassador for one telecommunication company. We thank the Lord. Now, he don't become youth ambassador again. On top, guess what? Police. Police don't unveil Korede Bello as the police youth ambassador. Hey, Korede Bello, now God win, now God win. Oh. All right, so Korede Bello, based on your song "God Don't Win for Your Matter," I want to celebrate with you. Che. You go blow. Don't worry, you go blow the blow. Every blowable, you blowed it. Except for the blow in my mind, blow that one. But you go blow, you go hammer. Every blowable, you will blow. Okay? Korede Bello, now police youth ambassador. The Inspector General of Police, Mr. Solomon Arase, come and talk, say youth, they critical to the fight against crime inside this country. So, as it be like this now, because Korede Bello, they represent this Nigerian youth, they're very, very well. That's the reason why they look at him and say, this guy, he get good report. He get good news. Whenever I see him saying they drink up and down, they do anyhow. Whenever I see him saying they smoke, go up and down, they do anyhow. Whenever I see him saying don't carry belly, give people, they do anyhow. So, Korede Bello, like the Nigerian police, Korede Bello, like Nigerian police, get very good reports, and that's the reason why they say they go race to work with this guy to become the youth ambassador, the police youth ambassador. They say because as it be so, the youth, that's the one they involve now to fight against crime for inside the country. Even Korede, as they accept the whole thing when they carry giver to come become ambassador, they can't talk say he say this one a very, very good worker. Say before now, police and entertainment industry not to they blend. Say but now with this move, it go dey easier for them to come and look say okay, we can actually work with the police because the police now your friend. All right. So as it be so, congratulations to Korede Bello. Even him comes to come and talk say, I promise to do my best. We the youth of this country no go disappoint you. My brother, speak for yourself, oh. Speak for yourself. Even as we try to do every, so people just they say, no, I don't like good, now but I like someday. But we not say the Nigerian youth, we go do the good things to make this country the good country where this country is supposed to be. Amen? Amen. All right, so Corey Bello, congratulations to you. Good things going to follow you for back. That's the reason why they don't tell anybody we care to listen. Use your mouth to talk better thing for yourself. You understand me now? They tell yourself good thing. And as you speak, and it go they happen. See Corey Bello now. I don't get a lot. Now God do win. That time you don't get money. But now, money they follow him. Telecommunication. Boom. Money show. Now, use police ambassador. You know, get how money no go take follow the thing for back. For him to equip himself as a police officer where if he go be. You get me now? I mean, congratulations to Corey Bello. Speak positive things inside your own life. You know, they use your mouth to talk good things about yourself. If everything not too pure around you, look yourself, say, man, everything pure. It is well, and it is well. Amen? Pastor Ogbe, that's what I do, man. Chills, you know. So they come back right now. We'll go for this break to drink water, to calm down, just the bring my head down small. Then we will continue on top of the remaining 2 G's then. What's he get for you on top of Yan, Diana. Now still the party show, not go anywhere. Okay. Please, very importantly, as funny or as daring as some of these things then go be for I beg, we always talk this thing, not go try for house. All right? Leave those ones then to do their own thing. We know how matter they be for our own side, okay? So please, as much as possible, not try for house. I take God beg you. If not, sellotape for bone don't finish. Super glue for your lungs and everything don't finish. So now, if you just try some kind thing, just open eyes, see yourself for gate of heaven. You can't tell. So just behave yourself where you did. More just a watch as the blacks where we be. We watch finish, just come off face. You know, consign us, carry go. All right. Okay. So now for my third gist for today. Well, this one not too bother me like that because Mariah Carey. You will not find me. Okay. Mariah Carey. Well, it says she's supposed to get one Ugbonge performance on Saturday night, very soon, for one big show where they happen for New Jersey. But as it be so, they don't carry and go hospital, say because she experienced flu. Why this one be news? Seriously. We are told she's so dehydrated and ill. She did dehydrated and she not too well like that. So as it be so, they can't call emergency, can't carry and go for some kind of emergency checkup and treatment. She started to feel bad after she do one appearance on top television for one interview. Then after that one, they can't carry and go for the emergency P. So as it be so, they pray say maybe she just gets well soon so that she will perform for the upcoming show which she's supposed to perform, the big show where they come. Mariah Carey, well done. You know when you are big, everything na news. When you just big, everything na news. This flu now when they catch Auntie Mariah, now when they catch people normally for here, normally, not be saying anything, normally. Now, not, but this one enter news, enter TMZ. I mean, what's up? Come on, man. You get Mariah Carey go take sneeze now. They put her for news. What do you do, man? When you are big, you are big. When you are big, everything become news. Make yourself big. We say we go big. All of us go big. Amen. But Mariah Carey, speedy recovery. Now they wish you so you fit do your thing and make some more money for your safe. For your safe. How your new Bobo now? Say the guy there all right. Will be our guy. We just anyway. Speedy recovery to you. Our very own guy. Nigerian artist too bad. This baddest guy. You see, your waist. All I want is your. Shawty say she no come for the money, yo. She come for the body, yo. Body, yo. Yeah, now come to use your own mouth, they talk. This thing doesn't make her slap in. You know what you they do for outside? Yeah, come and talk say, Say really, really, in they get harassment from female fans. Say they harass them anyhow, sexually. Say they harass them. Say he don't see some real things. Say some fans just film it like this, just open things, boom, for his face. He say no using I see different things, different size, different color, different things. But he say in female, say he get some mad female fans where they ready to die put for him body, not mean for the money. He said true that thing when he talk for that song. Say Shawty say she no come for the money, she come for the body. He said I saw some fans just be now their own work with that. They also want come shop every and just go. No be say to shop money, to shop him. So as he be so, but they come they ask him say he get one other babe now where they sabi where they call Freda Francis. They say Inyanya, you and Freda una the date, abi una no the date? Yes or no? Inyanya say I no go answer una. If I say yes, una go ask me more. If I say no, una go still ask me more. So for this case, I no go answer. Before una go use question take kill me for the matter. Yeah? Person no fit dey get me dating own dating. Say, but for this one, though, he not go answer whether in the date Freda Francis or whether he know the date time. Either way, last, now go know what's they happen. He say, but for him matter, as far as they concerned, in fans, they more curious about in songs and now waiting in guys to give in fans than be that. And when the next album they drop, not be who in the date. So when I don't hear, I say Mona come out eye for who in the date, I be who in the date. Mona chook eye on top in album and top in music when they do, not be who dating or not dating. Wait till happen. Say they date Freda Francis or not the data. You concern anybody? Make everybody just behave. Wait till concern. Now so now they will do now they go run the guy dating down. Please. People, but this country shall never start to the worry artist. This country will not even send celebrity. They just celebrity, they stand, they say, well done. Now one of the best form of celebrities be that too. Some people you all lock up, say, forget, waiting, no. We know when they start now. They know they're happy for person at all. But this first one where you first talk, say, your body, and they come for, no be your money, and say your female fans, they harass you. Not be waiting you cause by yourself. When you go down, they open akpo everywhere. Just open muzzle here. I show your spirit self carry muzzle. They do smart go. We only boxers stand like this. They make some of us who never get. They be like say, no, they won't try for this life. Now personal beef I get for you. All those muscle where you get now, God knows it not be gym you go. Now bucket where they carry the fetch water for where they climb step. Or say you the judge generator, or say you the fix tire well, or something. I just bring all those muscle. You get me? But it's in I see my guy, you see my guy, but I go talk my mind. That's how I always talk and we just yarn. Akpo they always follow your fights the whole level. We know as they go. But anyway, they look forward to better music from you. Of course, as you always do with the dish and they come out. All right, so this now the gist them when we get for you on top of yarn the yarn. You know, hope I don't enjoy every. Guy like Mohammed don't come and talk say, make no worry. In a few days, the whole fuel matter will not go hear him again. And they promise, say, now the last word I go hear be this one. See, now we go make sure say this kind of thing no happen again. And Crede Bello, you don't become police youth ambassador. Congratulations to you. Mariah Carey, but left for your flu. And lastly, Inyanya don't come back and talk say Freda Francis no go talk whether they date or whether they end the date at all. All right, so all now the gist what Carey can give now this morning. Hope I enjoy. And anybody will get extra gist or comment or question to not put on top, go meet us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy at Wazobia Paddy. The same for down there. Follow us on top that level. All right. So quickly, we'll go for laugh the laugh video to. Hey. All right. Okay. Like we always talk, I better go try rubbish for house, okay? No go try rubbish for house. But just they look, they come on face. But that are the one high level of deception. They deceive everybody when they're around. That also show you say everybody loving life. No one know that rig gun bullet, having a bang, having a shoot, they knock for ground. All man go too late, take off, miss, gas, move. Okay. Any which way. I hope you don't enjoy the show for today. Now the party show as usual. Join us here every time, this same time every day. All right. Anywhere they watch us, whether on our online or be they watch us on top, UHF 57. Okay. So they pray say make everybody get better day. Love yourself and just do alright to yourself. Okay. On top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy jam us for there. Search us for Facebook. Follow me on top Instagram at Ogbolo and on top Twitter at Funny Ogbolo. And a lot of us go the reason. Okay. So God bless you. Get the best of your day. And of course, we'll see you now tomorrow. Peace out. If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.